Cutting tools for drilling operations. So there are so many tools in the figure you can see here. Twist drill, core drilling to increase diameter of existing holes, and the last one, spade drill for large deep holes. So discuss them briefly. Twist drill. The most commonly used drill is the general purpose twist drill, which has two helical flutes. This drill is designed to perform well on a wide variety of material, equipment, and job conditions. The general purpose drill can be made to suit different conditions and materials by varying the point angle. Next one, core drill. A core drill designed with 3 or 4 flutes is used primarily to enlarge core, drilled or punched holes. Due to greater number of teeth, the core drill has advantages over the twist drills in productivity and finish. A core drill is named because its first use was in drilling out the hole left by a casting core, a cylinder placed in a mold for a casting that leaves an irregular hole in the product. Another one is spade drill. Spade bits are for fast boring in wood or plastic. They cannot be used to ream out a hole to a larger diameter and are poor at clearing debris from the bore. Twist drills are for general use and suitable for a variety of materials. They are available in a wide range of sizes from very small micro drills to drills up to 300 mm in diameter. Some of the smaller spade drills have replaceable carbide inserts. Another one is step drill, mainly used for stepped holes. A multiple diameter drill with one set of drills lands which are ground to different diameters. Next one is gun drill with holes for coolant. A gun drill is used for drilling deep hole. All gun drills are straight fluted and each has a single cutting edge. A hole in the body acts as a conduit to transmit coolant under considerable pressure to the tip of the drill. Next one, center drill. Center drill bits are used in metalworking to provide a starting hole for a larger size drill bit or to make a conical indentation in the end of a workpiece, in which to mount a lathe center. In either use, as the drill is either establishing the center of a hole or making a conical hole for a lathe center. However, the true purpose of a center drill is the latter task, while the former task is best done with a spotting drill. So, the main task of central drill is to make a conical indentation in the end of a workpiece in which to mount a lathe center. There are some figures of step drill, gun drill, and central drill. Now, talk about the cutting tools for reaming operations. Reamers. The reamer has similar geometry. The difference in geometry between a reamer and a twist drill are the reamer contains 4 to 8 straight or helical flutes, respectively, cutting edges. The tip is very short and does not contain any cutting edges. There are two figures. First one is straight flute reamer with taper shank, and next one is helical flute reamer with taper shank.